I'm Dr. Chanchal Chaudhary. I'm practicing in Kiran Dharma Search. I treat both skin patient as well as cosmetic patient. Today I'm going to speak about gynecomastia. What is gynecomastia? It's a male breast enlargement. So we do have this problem, and it's very common as a medical condition which I see during puberty and as well as after puberty too. So if it happens during puberty, it's quite a physiological response, and it regress after I say 2 to 3 years of developing of a gynecomastia, and we called it a physiological gynecomastia. If it persists during till you're adult, then sometimes it can be a glandular enlargement which has happened, and it known as gynecomastia. We do see this male breast enlargement in an obese boys or an adult male, but that's not a gynecomastia because that's not a glandular enlargement, that's a fat tissue which is an excessive fat tissue. So once we differentiate, yes, it is a gynecomastia and a patient is suffering from a male breast tissue, there is a treatment according to the cause. Sometimes we can have the male breast tissue because of some medical problem. Patient may be taking some medicines which can lead to a gynecomastia problem. So we have to stop those medicines which can lead to such changes. If patient have some hormonal problem, then we have to treat the hormonal problem first before treating a glandular stage of gynecomastia. Sometimes we have seen patients are taking anabolic steroids or alcohol, which can even lead to a male breast enlargement known as gynecomastia. Once we treat all these medical conditions and still patient persists with a glandular enlargement, which we call as gynecomastia, there is a surgical treatment for it, which is a permanent solution, and it's quite safe. It's a single day procedure. Hence, we treat surgically, and patient can go back in the same day to their home and can take a normal antibiotic, get the dressing done, and show the doctor after 5 to 7 days. To conclude, it's a very safe medical treatment as well as a surgical treatment to treat a gynecomastia.